3 Orlando Pirates not Morimo Gallants sanibona bafethu uvanelo so namhlanje ngizokhuluma ama positives nama negatives ale game ade siyibuka namhlanje bafethu ade kuyi game emnandi indlela eyisimanga omabili ama team ade ufuna u3 points bafethu remember ke iMorimo Gallants ade ifuna ukusuka ezantsi uma ngase ithole lo 3 points lo kanti ke Orlando Pirates kade ifuna ukunuweba igap phezulu uma ngase bewuthole u3 points naku ke Orlando Pirates siwuthola u3 points against iMorimo Gallants so ngizokhuluma nje ngendlela Orlando Pirates edlale ngakhona kule game le yabo so ngizoqala nje ngeapproach indlela Orlando Pirates iapproach ngakhona le game le bafethu indlela Mbheke indlela abayiqale ngakhona bafethu igame lade soyidlala uChaina to goalkeeper uCM abenosibisi obviously the two center back combination mase kuba uNdaba benovan Rooyen mase kuthi lapha ke Swini bekuba noMakehleni Makhawula neMtajela noTito Maswanganye mase kuba uMfukeng as a winger with Osuna Police mase kuthi up front sibe nobani noYanela Mbuthuma to be honest isisu sethu namhlanje ngiqale ngaba nenkinga ngisibona but ke bathe sebedlala abajida abangikhombisa ukuthi hayi cha mandate iclear eqhamuka coach hambani niyolwa lapha nibuye no 3 points hambani niyolwa lapha nibuye no 3 points we need to win the league yabo so ngizoqala ngefirst half njengoba ngizoqala nje ngefirst half ngifuna uunpacka indlela iMorimo Gallants edlale ngakhona against Orlando Pirates iMorimo Gallants ikhombisile ukuthi Orlando Pirates ayifuni ukuyihlalela emuva remember Orlando Pirates kuma games amathathu noma uyi4 esidlula kuona ama team adibhekene nawo ama team adehlala kakhulu emuva alindi Orlando Pirates ize kuona yabo ama team ade engafuni ukuphuma kakhulu ayi attack iOrlando Pirates but ke namhlanje I saw a different side ekwaziyo ukuthi iye kuOrlando Pirates izame ukuthi ikore against Orlando Pirates nilibonile ithuba elithola uOtladisa igame isaqala yabo it's a pity ke lela thuba lela lishaya ibhali laphuma but ke iOrlando Pirates iresponde kamnandi kuleyo message le sabona iassist enhle eqhamuka kumfukeng wasekora koMbuthuma wakora igoli elihle bafethu sibuka nje igame emnandi namhlanje sibuka iMorimo Gallants ingahlala emuva ibikwazi ukuthi iye kuOrlando Pirates ikwazi ukuthi ingqongqoze lapha yabo Athi ke defense Orlando Pirates ibisolid namhlanje simbonile uSibisi with uSiyema abajide namhlanje badlale kahle kakhulu bakwazi ukuthi bayigcine enye iclean sheet u12 clean sheets for uChaina namhlanje bafika umjida usaqhubeka uba nama clean sheets kubuye ngawuthi umezoqhubeka kanje uyena uzoba goalkeeper of the season but ke wena ungangitshela ngokwakho do you think umjida uyayideserve goalkeeper of the season noma ke bakhona abanye goalkeepers yazi bakhona uPeterson bayamlandela bakhona oKitty from iDurban City lapha bakhona nabo kweconversation yama clean sheets but ke so far i-team number 1 Orlando Pirates and uSipho Chain onama clean sheets amaningi uma Orlando Pirates iwina ileague obvious ugoalkeeper uzoyithatha igoalkeeper of the season uSipho Chain ungidlalele kahle bafethu uvan Rooyen namhlanje umjida ube negame enhle kakhulu so far umjida ubesafarisha from criticism remember phela ubesathanda kubuya kuinjury umjida yabo ubesanaleyo rusty yabo athi ke namhlanje simbonile umjida ubuyile yabo igoal nje lesibili Orlando Pirates enilibonile likoro uTito Maswanganye senibheke nje icombination eningi lapha liqhamuka kuyena uvan Rooyen lela goal la so we have to give credit kuyena umjida let's hope umjida uzoqhubeka adlale kahle siyafuna ukumbona edlala against Mamelodi Sundowns we are playing against Mamelodi Sundowns so we need to see uvan Rooyen same as uNdaba bafethu uNdaba udlale kahle kakhulu namhlanje he played a full 90 minutes match same as uvan Rooyen abajida bakwazile ukuthi baphushe baye phambili bawosiza team iattack better mase siza lapha eswini bafethu I'd like to thank coach I'd like to thank the coach for believing in uTito Maswanganye I'd like to thank the coach ekubelieveni kwakhe kuTito Maswanganye yabo uTito Maswanganye bafethu so far for me umjida I feel like iyavuka iconfidence yakhe nimbonile indlela adlala ngakhona first half indlela adlale ngakhona it's a pity ke igoli lesibili alikoranga yabo nilibonele la goal lapha cishe ekora khona igoli elihle indlela eyisimanga for me bengizolibeka as goal of the season but ke akahlelanga lapha umjida kubuye ngathi uvinjo Mbuthuma but ke umjida udlale kahle namhlanje iconfidence yakhe uTito Maswanganye iyabuya bafethu sidinga into kanjena ke kwischeme seOrlando Pirates iyabuya iconfidence yavan Rooyen iyabuya iconfidence yaTito Maswanganye iyabuya iconfidence yaMakehleni Makhawula same as Mfukeng abajida bayashisa njengamanje bayibona indlela eyaphambili isincane kakhulu njoba isincane nje indlela eyaphambili kumele benze sure ukuthi yonke into abayenzayo bayenza 10 out of 10 performance from uTito Maswanganye for me today I spoke about uTito Maswanganye kwivideo engisathana kuyenza nje ngasho ukuthi Orlando Pirates melenze sure ukuthi umjida imdedeli because if each and every player une phase yakhe and today we saw a different Tito Maswanganye we saw ukuthi umjida ngempela uyabuyela kwiform yakhe last game we played against Tottenham he scored he scored uTito Maswanganyi namhlanje ukorile futhi yabo sifuna ukubona more Tito Maswanganyi Makahleni Makhawula umjida namhlanje ungidlalele kamnandi Mjida namhlanje ungidlalele kamnandi. This is what we expect from uMakahleni Makhawula. Naye umjida ubesesana kubuya kwi-injury but ke usikhombisile namhlanje ukuthi isakhona iform. Siyamazi uMakahleni Makhawula isidina sikaMahlelela bafethu wenza izinto zibe simple. Semezwe uNemtajela namhlanje uNemtajela ke bafethu angifuni ukukhuluma ngaye. Niyamazi umjida umnandi umjida uNemtajela ukuthi kuyikona nje yabo unama games akho uNemtajela ngeke uzumdlalise noma yipi game. Igame ekanje bafethu bomdinga ngempela uNemtajela because bekuyi game lebafethu besidlala neteam la engahlali kakhulu emuva. Yabo nje wasizodlala nesimo engahlali kakhulu emuva. You need a player like uNemtajela ozokwazi ukuthi ashaye lawo ma short pass, akwazi ukuthi abreak i-defense. Nimbonile namhlanje umjida udlale kahle kakhulu. Yabo siza ngama forwards bafethu nimbonile Osuna Police for me I feel like umjida kushoda kancane. Yabo ushoda kancane. Ever since we came back from AFCON I haven't seen much of Osuna Police and I want to see that Osuna Police esiqale ngaye with this season. Yabo ukube angazi kwenzakalani but I feel like there's something missing. Yabo I feel like uzoyithola namhlanje kwale kancane uTakoro umjida ubeloko shaya nje amabhola aphezulu but ke I feel like izobuya leso spark. Masibuya leso spark on this current team is now currently I feel like izinto kuzovele kushise kakhulu. I don't think ikhona team ezokwazi i-stop Orlando Pirates indlela edlala khona right now. I don't think there is a team. Even Mamelodi Sundowns, yes, he winning today, but I don't think they will manage to stop a team like Orlando Pirates. Mase siza up front bafethu we saw namhlanje bafethu uMbuthuma. Yes, uskorile namhlanje uMbuthuma but I didn't see a lot of uMbuthuma namhlanje. It's a good goal but I didn't see a lot of uMbuthuma but ke umjida I think siyamdinga kuma games. I think siyamdinga uMbuthuma kuma games even though akadlali kahle but ke a goal is what you need to win the game. A goal is what you need to win the game. We saw the introduction of Umakgopa namhlanje. He didn't score a goal. He missed a lot of chances. Imagine starting with a player yabo engakora amagoli amaningi. Not even scoring. Yabo ngcono noma ngangadlala kahle uMbuthuma but mekorile that is what you need from the striker. That is job to score goals. Mfukeng is a star, guys. Mfukeng is a star. I don't wanna downplay indlela adlala khona lo mjida. Yabona at this rate, I know umjida unamagola u3 so far, but ke at this rate, isibuyile confidence yakhe. I know it's a big shout. But ke I think ukhona kwe conversation ye player of the season. I know. Yabo. But ke we have to be honest, guys. Umjida uyadlala namhlanje kwale kancane uthi angalithola igoli lesibili. Ukorile namhlanje wathola neassist. Yini enye oyifunayo? That's a player right there. That's a star player right there.